Failing to stick to a regular oil change schedule leads to degraded oil quality, sludge buildup, and increased wear on engine components. Consequently, this negligence can significantly shorten the lifespan of your vehicle. Moreover, neglecting to change the oil filter during an oil change permits harmful contaminants to circulate, potentially resulting in catastrophic engine damage. Regularly replacing the filter is crucial for maintaining engine protection. Draining cold oil leaves behind residual contaminants in the engine, which undermines the effectiveness of the new oil. Therefore, warming up the engine before draining ensures a thorough cleanup and optimal performance. Additionally, over-tightening the drain pan bolt can inflict severe engine damage, with repair costs exceeding $1,000. Utilizing a torque wrench helps achieve the correct tightness, preventing costly oversights. Furthermore, opting for low-quality oil filters jeopardizes engine health by allowing contaminants to circulate. High-quality filters, on the other hand, offer superior protection, ensuring efficient engine operation and longevity. Over-tightening the oil filter can lead to leaks and complicate future changes. The best practice involves hand-tightening the filter followed by a slight additional turn to maintain its integrity. Forgetting to lubricate the oil filter O-ring is a frequent error that can cause oil leaks. Such leaks jeopardize the lubrication system, ultimately risking engine failure over time. Overfilling oil during an oil change may introduce air bubbles, resulting in foaming that hampers lubrication effectiveness. This situation can lead to internal engine damage, making caution essential. Another concern is double gasket installation, which occurs when the old O-ring remains stuck, causing severe oil leaks. Thoroughly inspecting the filter housing can help avoid this costly mistake. Skipping the final oil check after an oil change can lead to insufficient lubrication, increasing the risk of friction and overheating. Always ensure to check the oil level after briefly running the engine. Checking oil levels on uneven ground can yield inaccurate readings, resulting in overfilling or underfilling. Therefore, it's important to ensure your vehicle is on a flat surface for precise measurement. Incorporating a magnetic oil drain plug can capture tiny metal particles that contribute to engine wear. This affordable upgrade helps maintain cleaner oil and extends the lifespan of your engine. Pre-filling the oil filter with fresh oil prior to installation guarantees immediate lubrication, preventing dry starts and protecting engine components from premature wear. Using the correct type and viscosity of oil is essential, as incorrect oil can disrupt engine balance, heighten wear, and potentially void warranties. Taking the time during an oil change also permits a thorough inspection of the vehicle, enabling you to identify early signs of wear or damage that might lead to costly repairs. Many amateur mechanics often overlook the importance of selecting the correct oil type and high-quality filters, which can lead to significant engine damage due to poor choices. In contrast, professional mechanics possess comprehensive knowledge of manufacturer specifications, enabling them to recommend products tailored to your vehicle's unique needs for optimal performance. Finally, using the right tools and adhering to proper torque settings is crucial for car maintenance, as improvisation can lead to serious mechanical issues and expensive repairs.